Are you wondering how to find the inverse of a function? Are you losing sleep at night thinking about inverse functions? Well, if you are, you've come to the right place, because I'm going to allow you to get a nice night's sleep, and you're going to know how to do an inverse function without a problem. So, how do we do it? So you're going to take your original function, and also we got to do it on a certain domain, but guess what? Who cares? Just don't even worry about that part. We're going to focus, because it really doesn't play any role. We're going to focus on the function we have at hand. First thing is you're going to take your f of x and you're going to write it as a y. Okay, I like to do it this way. You could probably cut out a couple of steps, or you might be able to condense this a little bit, but that's what I do first. Next thing is everywhere I have a y, I'm going to write an x. And everywhere I have an x, I'm going to write a y. Everything else stays the same. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to solve it for y. I have to isolate y by itself, so minus the 9 from both sides. So this becomes x minus 9 is then equal to negative y squared. What you could do at this point is you could divide both sides by a negative 1. All right, you can leave this alone, or you can realize that negative 1 divided into x makes that a negative x. And negative 1 divided into basically a negative 9 makes that a positive 9. And then all I'm going to do is kind of reorganize it. I'm going to write the 9 first and the x second. So it's going to be 9 minus x, just to make it nice. And then, to solve for y, I have to get rid of the square, so I'm going to square root both sides. All right? And what that leaves me then, it leaves me with the square root of the 9 minus x is going to be equal to y. And that's basically the inverse function. All right? Now, to clean this up a little bit, we're not going to leave it as a y at the end. We're going to turn it back into an f of x, but we're going to be careful because we're going to write f of x minus 1 on the top to denote that it is an inverse function. And that's basically all there is to it. So I do hope this helps. If it did, maybe even put down a like or maybe subscribe, because we got your back. We want to help you through many of your classes here. All right, not only high school, but college as well. We got chemistry and physics also out there. And we have thousands of videos where we walk you through step by step of the process. All right, a lot of times it's hard to understand, let's say, some of the professors, or, it's difficult to maintain focus, right? You find yourself dozing off. Well, you can watch the videos at your leisure. You can even watch them while you're taking a shower. What? That'd be a little weird, right? That'd be a little bit strange. Okay, don't do that. But if you had a TV in your bathroom, you technically could, I suppose. But in any case, we want to help you through your class. Love to see you again. Well, or teach you again, talk to you again. I'm not really seeing you. And if I were, that'd be kind of weird, because that would mean I have like a camera somewhere, and that'd be a little bit strange. Anyway, I think I'm going to go to sleep now. Okay, bye.